Welcome friends, revise with me the remedy Zincum metallicum, and this is part 2. Part 2 is mnemonic, and it is very important for young students how to remember the remedy. That is very difficult, and for that we'll see this particular small mnemonic. It starts with 8 E's. Any word which starts with the E, we have 8 E's which is going to summarize the action of this particular remedy. E stands for exhaustion, especially nerves. E stands for exertion. Excretion ameliorates like menses, expectoration and urine. E stands for epilepsy. E again stands for echolalia. E stands for eats at 11 a.m. There is a hunger, great hunger at 11 a.m. E stands for extreme fidgety. Patient is quite restless. E stands for encephalitic cry. Child cries in sleep. And E stands for excessively low vitality. And last E is eager or hastiness of this particular patient. So these are the few salient features on which we are going to recall certain important points of this particular remedy. So let us go for that. So let us go to the recall. The first thing is E for exhaustion, nerves. So cerebral and nervous exhaustion is the characteristic feature of this particular remedy. Brain and nerve power is wanting. There is great inability to comprehend and to memorize. E stands for excretions. The patient is better by, especially in the chest symptoms, are better by expectoration, or especially the bladder symptoms are better by urinating. The back symptoms are better by emissions. In general, the patient is better by menstrual flow. Now, E stands for epilepsy, and here you will find there is a convulsions during dentition. Twitching and jerking of single muscles are there. There are choreiform movements, and they are especially from the suppressed eruption or from fright. Next E stands for echolalia, and child repeats everything said to it. And E stands for eats at 11 a.m. The patient is terribly hungry. There is ravenous hunger about 11 a.m. or 12 a.m. And the patient eats hastily, and there is a great giddiness while eating. Next E stands for extreme fidgety. The patient has got excessive nervous movement of feet in the bed for even after the hours after retiring, or when in sleep he keeps on moving his legs. This incessant and violent fidgety feeling in feet or lower extremities, and that compels him to move them constantly. E stands for encephalitic cry. The child cries during sleep, the whole body jerks during sleep, wakes frightened, starts, rolls the head from side to side, and here the peculiar feature is the face alternately becomes pale and red. Next E stands for excessively low vitality. The patient has defective vitality, too weak to develop exanthema. Eruptions are carried inside, they go to the brain. Menstrual function is also retarded. Expectoration is also retarded. To urinate is also very retarded. So these are the things which aggravates the problem in general. E stands for eager or hasty, and here you will find that the patient is hasty in eating and drinking, and they cannot eat fast enough. So thank you very much for patient listening.